Hi and welcome back. So today this is going to be my second part of my classroom setup. So this is I think this is the fourth time I've been into school. So the first day I came in, I literally just moved the classroom around and was sorting bits out. The second day I came in, the second day I came in will be in the first video, which I'll link down below. But I literally just came in to print stuff and I did a little bit of a classroom tour in that video. And then the third day I came in, which was yesterday, I filmed quite a lot of that. That will be in the part 1 video. So I thought I would do part 2 because I think that video is getting quite long now. But yeah, anyway, I've just been to Wilko and WH Smith, so I thought I would show you what I picked up. I actually filmed a few clips on my phone when I was in Wilko and WH Smith, so I'll put them in now. So the first thing that I picked up was this lovely plant. I think this was £10, so I think I'm going to put this in my book corner. So I got that one and I got this one. I think they were both £10, so yeah, loving these. I had to stop myself from buying more. Excuse my wet hair, by the way. I literally couldn't be bothered to dry it. I never really dry my hair, so yeah. Then I got 3 packs of these pegs. These were like £1 each. I thought they were just really handy to have things hanging up. Then I just got some string. I think that was like 90p. And that was everything I got from Wilko, but I'll show you what I got from WH Smith now. I could literally spend all day in WH Smith looking at everything. I think my mum actually always says that when I was younger she could never get me out of there. I just wanted to sit and look at the books and look at all the stationery, but anyone else like that? So the first thing that I got was this brown paper. This was £3.99 and I think I'm going to use this for some of my headings and my displays. Then I just got this cutting knife, which was £6.99. I also got the cutting mat to go with it. This is £14.99. But yeah, these are really, really handy for when you're doing the lettering of your displays and you want to cut out the middle bit. So yeah, I'll show you that later when I do that. And the last thing that I picked up were these really, really cute pegs. I just thought they were so cute. No idea what I'm going to do with them, but yeah, they were £2.99. Had to stop myself from getting more, but I might go back for more if I find a good use for them. But yeah, that was everything. I think now I'm going to start making my lettering for my displays, and yeah, I'll show you that when I'm done. Right, I've just made my reading corner banner. This literally took me so long. You can see how many attempts it took me here. I just don't know why. It said I was working on A4, and every time I printed it, it was just not even on A4. So anyway, I did it on PicMonkey, but you can probably do it on Canva as well. So yeah, another thing, all of these are meant to be the same size, but the C, the O, and the G just seems a lot smaller. Can you see that? I think I'm going to do them ones again and make them a little bit bigger. They just look really odd. I'm not sure what happened there. But yeah, happy with these. I need to laminate them as well. Right, I've sorted it now. I've made them bigger. I don't know what happened there, but yeah, they look really good. I just need to laminate them and then I will hang them from over there somehow. Right, so I've just made some more headers. This is going to be for this display and it's going to say "We love to read." So originally I planned to just print off black letters and stick them on this brown paper, but I worked out how to do this on PicMonkey. You can literally just select a background and then yeah, put the letter on, which I thought was really good. The first one was that size and then all of the others were smaller, so I couldn't be bothered to do them all again. I just did the W again. I need to get that from the printer in a minute. But yeah, I'm going to laminate these in a minute and then I will put them up. Right, this is all laminated now and I've just put some string up. Hopefully it's going to stay there and hopefully it's in the right position because I've just stapled it so much. Hopefully it's going to go okay. But yeah, I'm going to put it up now. There we go, all done. Just trying to work out if it is even. That should be okay for now. I really want some kind of table or something here that I can put the plants on. Not sure. Right, next I need to put the header on here. What's the time? Whoa. It's literally 2:30. I've been here ages now. This is literally what happens when you're setting up your classroom. Like, you're here hours and then it just looks the same. That's that all done. I think that's as even as I can get it. But yeah, happy with how this is going so far. And this is what I'm going to put onto the "We Love to Read" display. So I'm just trying to work out the sizing. So yeah, I'm going to cut these out or make them bigger, I think, and then get some more and then cover them on the board.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye.
Just put all the pictures of the books up. They actually look quite small. They probably could have been a little bit bigger, but yeah, I can't actually believe how long this has taken me. I'm gonna have to leave soon and I've hardly done anything. Right, I think I'm gonna head off in a minute. What's the time? It's 4 o'clock. I've been here so long and haven't really achieved too much. School's closed next week, so I won't be able to come in then. I don't know if I'm going to come in again because we've got 2 inset days at the start, so that gives me a bit of time then after we finished. And also we're doing telephone calls at the start of term, so I should be able to get some more stuff done then. But yeah, let me show you around what I've done today. So I've just had a little rejig actually. So I've moved this table over here. So I thought this could be what they do their art activities. And then over here, this table will be if I'm working with a group. We can work together there. I don't really think we need chairs here. They can just stand up. They always end up standing up anyway. And then I've just put this table here. So the tough tray will be there, but I think when we're in free flow, I can just pull it to the carpet so there's a bit more space. Might put chairs there. Not too sure what I'm going to put on that table. Maybe some maths activities. And then I've got the writing area and then the book corner, which has literally taken me all day. And I haven't even finished this one yet. This one is going to say, look who got caught reading, and I'm going to put pictures of them reading books on there. Either at school or ones their parents send. I literally just got these ideas from Pinterest. But yeah, really happy with this. Still need to put the labels on all my boxes. Self-signing still needs to be done. This was meant to be my birthday board, but the birthday banner didn't fit, so that was annoying. I think my birthday banner is going to go up the top, and then I think I'm going to put the months along here and then stick all their birthdays on there. But yeah, I think I'm going to end the video here. I really hope you like these teaching videos. I might do another one, just depends if I come in again, but I'll definitely do a classroom tour when it's finished, if it ever gets finished. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I would love it if you subscribed, and I will see you soon.